Today we're doing an overview of the new Breeo 24 X Series with the grilling package called the Outpost. We're going to put this to the test, show you the key features. We're going to even grill a tri-tip on this thing, see how it performs, talk about all the things that you might want to know about it. So stick around, we're going to jump right in. I want to thank Breeo for reaching out and asking if they could send me one, and I wanted to test it out, see how it performs, especially compared to my solo stove, which is what I've had the past 5 years. Now I've seen this come out and I really like the look and feel of this, and specifically since I do backyard cooking, I love the idea of having this Outpost where it kind of gives you that kind of cowboy cooking experience and the ability to turn and twist this, raise it, lower it, adjust it away. There's just so many possibilities when it comes to cooking, and then also using it for a fire pit. So let's talk about the key features. It really is straightforward. There's literally nothing to put together. It comes in a box. I'll put that on the screen. And literally you just pull it out and it's ready to go. The only thing I had to put together was the lid, which is another accessory, and just had to put the handle on, and that was like 2 seconds. And then it comes with a traveling little case to put your Outpost grilling accessories together, so that makes it easy. And then it also comes with the ash tool to be able to remove ash at the end of your cook when it's all cooled off. So obviously this one is 24 inches, but just to kind of show you that, that's 24 inches from, well, it's really like from the inside it's 22, but from edge to edge this ends up saying 27. So and then from the inside to the outside it ends up being 12 inches from the bottom of the inside to the top lid, and then from the bottom where the feet is to the top of this is around 15 inches. So and then out of curiosity, although this could go higher, and let's just see at the highest it goes, so you know how high this can go. So if you're used to doing indirect cooking, the higher you go in this context. This is looking like about 38 inches, and it's probably more like 36 from the bottom of the Breeo to where it is, but that is pretty cool. So that kind of highlights the key features. Again, you got the lid, you got the Outpost, and then literally you just got the Breeo, and it's got this nice little edge compared to the solo stove that has different features. Now I've seen different Breeos where the stands can raise and lower depending on what you're trying to accomplish. When I turned this thing over, it did not give me that option. So I just don't know if I'm new to Breeo, so I'm not sure if the series that I got just didn't have the adjustable legs, but I do know that that is available, which is a really cool distinction if you are doing fire pit or if you're grilling and you're standing like this, and how easy it is, just as if it was a grill, moving food on and off the fire pit, or sitting down like we do typically and just enjoy the fire. So let's light this thing up and get to cooking some tri-tip, and also sneak in some s'mores with my daughter. So let's get to it. I took some pieces of the box that it came with to kind of get it going to start with, and then we will throw in some wood just to kind of get a fire going. All right, friends, I got this tri-tip. We're gonna season it with some salt, pepper, garlic, my all y'all seasoning, and put it right on there. And then my daughter's gonna cook some s'mores as we get going here. All right, we're gonna try out different settings. I'm gonna start low, try to see if I can get a decent sear. Well, May and I are just enjoying the fire. We're cooking a tri-tip. She made a s'more. How'd it go?
Good.
It was really easy. This is not a roaring fire because I don't want to be out here for too long. So this is going to cook a little bit longer, but I'm just doing the flip method, cooking this over some wood chunks, some wood splits, and some charcoal as well to kind of get this thing going. But as this is cooking, the price point of this specific setup is around $730. Is from what I looked online, and so as you're comparing, it's going to be on the higher price end. But I would say this is, I'll put all the key features on the screen and a link, but this is stainless steel. It's double insulated. It's got the holes up top, which gives it that clean burn. It's called the second burn whenever you have this filled with firewood. And you're gonna have just a beautiful fire, smokeless experience. All right, hopefully you got a lot of close-ups. You got to see me cutting it, pretty rare to medium rare, how I like it. Cooked it a little longer for my daughter. She likes different, more medium well than medium rare, but let's do a taste test. Oh yeah. Well, that's a fun way to cook, to be able to have a multi-purpose fire pit. And it's comparative to Solo Stove and all the other ones out there where you can cook. But I will say, let me know in the comments if you want to see a head-to-head between the Solo Stove and this Breeo 24. But I will say I like the cooking accessories of the Breeo a lot better. Stainless steel, easier to clean, maintain. Although the Breeo is a lot heavier as a base compared to the Solo Stove, it really wasn't that bad to move, but the accessories are night and day, lighter and easier, but in the adjustable ability to go up and down and move it out of the fire is just incredible. It's a great way to be able to cook, especially if you love doing live fire cooking, entertaining friends, or doing what we're doing. We're just gonna light up the fire for some s'mores. Might as well throw some steaks on there while the kids are enjoying the fire pit. And we can, as adults, can enjoy some steak. It's awesome. So let me know in the comments what questions you have, other things you want me to see cooking on this, and other comparisons that would be helpful. From my backyard to yours, less hate, more love, good barbecue. Till next time.